First, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good afternoon. How are you? I am Hussain. Thank you, my noble teacher, for giving me chance to say something about my today's topic. Today, I would like to start a topic. Today's topic is about myself. Let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Hussain. I am 17 years old. I was born on 9 September 2008. I am from Bangladesh. I live in Sylhet. There are 8 members in my family. There are mother, father, sister, brother, and grandmother. My father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. I am a student at JR English Seminar. My favorite person is friends. My favorite sport is cricket. I want to be an engineer in future. My favorite color is blue. My favorite food is burger. My favorite hobby is gardening. My favorite singer is Pagal Hassan. My favorite speaker is Rahim Ahmed. My favorite teacher is Rahim Ahmed. My favorite player is Messi. Thank you, my noble teacher and all friend, for listening my speech. Now I am going to finish my speech. If I did any mistake, please pardon me. Assalamu alaikum everyone.